Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So today is July 25th, 2023, and the live trades you are about to see are from July 13th, 2023. This is the day 4 of my Topstep trading combine. You might be asking, why is my intro and my outro recorded at a future date? And if I'm being really honest with you, I just didn't make time to record and edit the intro and outro to include in my actual live trades. So I do apologize about that. I don't quite remember or know what my trading psychology and mentality was the morning of, as well as my outlook on my strategy for that day. So again, I apologize, but I still do have these recordings here, and I obviously wanted to post it so that you guys can see the most updated numbers on day 4, and then obviously before you watch day 5. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into the recordings. All right, so I'm in a long right now. We're down about 3 points on it. And we were eating at the 20, and I was hoping for a squeeze from 20 to 25, as that's where my TP is. So I'm still looking for some bullish riders to get through 25, maybe to 30. For our top step, I'm only looking for 10 points. So I do have my trade copier on correctly this time. So yes, it's actually one contract on the 100K combine we're doing right now. And you can see my group trader is on, in fact. So can finally stop roasting myself about it. But anyways, yeah, I was actually trading my Apex when we took this long move right here. So I'm a little sad that I honestly missed this with the combine. And so, you know, I mean, it is what it is, but let's see what happens if we're able to get the squeeze up or not. If not, then obviously it is what it is. But if we're able to continue the momentum to the upside, that'd be great. I'm looking to possibly fill this whole daily supply box, right, that we're in. I want to get a squeeze up to this R3 zone at 15,657. The ultimate goal for me right now is just to get up to 40. And then if we're able to push out of 40, then I could see a possible squeeze all the way to that 55 area. This is a 3-minute time frame right here. Let me zoom out for you. And then let me also pull up the 15. So you can see, oh, this is our R2. Did I say R3? I don't even know. But our R2 right here, 15,655. And then let me pull up the 1 hour frame. So you can see we had a crazy momentum since yesterday's close. So this was a Wednesday after CPI hit right here. Momentum pushed to the daily. Resistance was met. Had a pullback. We came back up, reattempted those. Not even close to the highs, but we attempted to get back up, couldn't quite do it. Another little pullback, and then the overnight evening session, we just continued the momentum upward. So right now it's looking like we're having some rejection. It looks like an almost double top here at the 15,620 area, 15,619. So we'll have to see if we're able to continue this push up, but don't really like that, especially on the 1 hour time frame. Going back to the 15 though, it does look like a double top regardless. So the trade that I'm in right now, it's either I'm going to have to be really patient to see if we're able to squeeze upward after a pullback here, because we do have a bull engulfing candle on the 15 time frame. So it's a bull engulfing candle, bounce off of our VWAP, bounce off the 21, but also we have a double top. So this is going to be an interesting ride, and we're just going to be patient to see what happens next. All right, so stop loss was hit. I took a loss with commissions. It's 254, but without commissions, we took a loss of 250. So that's about 12 points on my stop loss, which is totally cool. Okay, we're at 21. 174 buy orders just pushed through. So that is insane. We got the squeeze all the way to 25. Okay, we're going to have this retracement to 20. We still have all of these orders stacked up here. So I'm just going to continue to be patient with this trade. Now, call me crazy again. Still monitoring as we go, but I moved my TP to 35. Just still monitoring. That's the key here. And then I'm going to look at our 1 hour, see how the overall trend is looking. So it's still pretty darn bullish. Let's get that squeeze. Don't be shy. All right, I'm going to go ahead and move back now to our top step, and I'm probably just going to close her here. Yeah, we're just going to close her. I'm going to go ahead and get long. I'm just going to go ahead and risk it for the biscuit. All right. I entered pretty much where the triple top is at. Not the best entry. Here I am playing very impatient. but I want to see that move to 35. I do want to see that move to 35 today, if we can. For bulls, I mean, a retracement of this whole thing does not seem impossible. I mean, to be honest, we had this first pullback, continuation up. So, you know, I want to see us break this triple top, go higher, get all these buyers back. See, we had a bunch of sellers here. Yeah. But anyways, gonna monitor this, same thing as usual, and go from there. I mean, we have our EMAs, they're all starting to rise up too, so still looking pretty fun, still looking pretty jazzy. Still so much liquidity to the upside. We had the pullback, the bounce off. We got to break this previous high here, break through 25, grab those, maybe get a squeeze to 30. Starting to build 169, 10. Okay, so we released the first batch. Here's our second batch. We're starting to increase back again. People are trying to buy to get in. 100 over here at 30. I do see our cumulative delta. Buyers are trying to step in. There we go. There's a squeeze through 25. Okay, we had our consolidation. This is the 3-minute frame. All right, I want to see the push to 30. Liquidity is still really heavy though. I want to see that push to 30, get this 149 orders up here. So I moved my TP actually up to 43. The reason is because seeing this liquidity stacked, 104, the orders are starting to just fall off one by one. We have 200 sitting at 40. The direction's obviously bullish on the day. We're just making newer highs, trending higher and higher. I feel like 50 might be end of day target. And I'm seeing. So this is the part where I'm kind of like gauging if it's going to be a quick slap. Right now it's struggling for sure, but because we're just very a bullish trend on the day and we're at the top of a daily supply, I could expect that kind of rejection. But given, again, everything else we're seeing, it just seems kind of feasible. Okay, grab through 40, hit to 41. Some of those stops did not grab us yet, but we're still going to be patient, grab some of them. Liquidity still stacked to the upside, so we might have missed part of our turn. In all honesty, maybe to 30, but I want to see a push through that 40. We're getting a little bit of a pullback again. Okay, we're kind of overextended. I'm gonna go ahead and probably exit this trade. Let me go ahead and put a sell stop at 35. Okay, well, we just got exited, so it's all good. It is all good in the hood. It could keep going up, but you know what? We are having a slight pullback, and we are still up $502 on the day after 2 or 3 losses back to back. So we're gonna enter into one final trade that I wanted to record here. So I got in at 638.25. My TP, my ideal TP would be 55, but my realistic is 50. So I'm just keeping an eye out on how we push through this 45 zone. Yeah, I'm gonna pull up the 5-minute chart. It just opened up. So yeah, that is not looking too pretty for us. So either we get another bounce off of 31 or we don't. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a stop here. No, I'm just gonna exit. I'm just gonna go ahead and exit this order. Yeah, I don't really like this at all. I'm not a big fan of this big rejection. Maybe this push off of 31 or 30, I can do a re-entry, but I wasn't really feeling that. So yeah, that was my 7th trade. I said I think I wanted to do only like 6 or 7 trades today. So I'm gonna watch this for this last one and do my last potential. Otherwise, we're just gonna call it with $407 in profit. So here we are approaching 30. Let me actually go to our ES real quick so we can see where that's standing at. That's the 1 hour chart. Here's our 15. Here's our 5. So we're just trying to come back to this pivot target, get back maybe into this consolidation zone again. I'm gonna go back to NQ again. So we're coming back inside of our daily supply zone. Here's our 15-minute, and then here is our 1 hour chart. So I'm still really liking this upward move, to be quite honest with you. I know it sounds crazy, but I'm kind of liking this. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get in the long again here. I know, call me crazy, it's fine. I'm still feeling this. I'm still feeling this trade. I'm gonna give myself another like 8 points or to stop on it. This is my final trade though. Let me put my TP here at 50. Let me see what my levels would be. Yeah, 50 up here. So we still have a lot of buying orders ready for the upside regardless. Getting that push up. 37 retest. Right now, I would be making back the gains that I had lost. Liking this. There we go. Get the squeeze all the way up. Look for 50. TP's moved up now to 54. Watching if we're getting a break here. 190 orders released. Trying to break this 50 zone. Really liking this. Want to squeeze up. Let's get that 55, 54, and we are filled on that trade. We could have went up to 55 if we wanted to, but you know me, always kind of taking profit either right before or right after. So we hit 55. Could continue up. It hit our pivot target as well on the 15-minute time frame, which is beautiful. We're running up still. Going to the 1 hour chart now. I mean, if it can go to R3, that would be insane. But either way, you guys saw it here, able to grab that trade. Really nice squeeze to end the day. So we are sitting at $768.36. Definitely have some patience to work on from yesterday and from today, reviewing the trades, reviewing the videos. And yeah, I mean, just the way I'm reacting to it. So anyways, this is my stats. And let me go to my performance data for today as well, so you guys can see everything. I need to remember to do this at the end of the day. But average winning trade, 276. Average losing, 191. So it's almost a 1-to-1. That is a wrap of day 4 for the 100K Topstep Combine. Honestly, it could have been so much better, but I'm really glad that I stayed calm throughout my trades after reviewing the videos that I did have left on my phone and knowing that I was in drawdown for a minute, but being able to get back out of it, following the plan, it all worked out. It definitely could get scary when you see a red day and like losses on your account. But I think the main thing for me after watching it 2 weeks later was just staying calm, knowing that my strategy and my system is going to work out the way it should have, going from there. Now, obviously, July 13th, I was still very active in trading, but because I've taken such a long amount of time away from trading the past 2 weeks and coming back into day 5 and most importantly, my other accounts, it's been a little bit nerve-wracking. So when you do watch day 5, please bear with me. But as always, I do appreciate your time and support. I wish you guys nothing but the best and most success in your trading journey, and I'll see you all in the next video.